Hey guys, today I am super excited to tell you about and show you the unboxing of my new camera, the Leica CL. I will also talk about why I decided to buy this camera even though it was released 4 years ago. So without further ado, let's get to it. And if you are new here, my name is Petr Gardian and I like to take photographs with all kinds of cameras and lenses. And on this channel I am sharing with you my experience with the gear I have used, related tips and even an occasional travel story. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. And before I get to the reasons why I bought myself a camera with the famous red dot, let me tell you that the Leica packaging is absolutely ridiculous. I bought the camera used and it came without the outer cardboard box, which is fine because we can go right into the internal packaging. This was designed by someone with a sense of humor because after opening the top and bottom flaps, which are held in place by small magnets, you realize there are actual drawers with the camera accessories and manuals. A very nice touch and something I have not seen before. With the Leica CL you get the usual stuff, including batteries with charger and a pouch with a nice leather strap. The other drawer contains a quick guide as well as a full manual and hand-signed death certificate. A nice touch and definitely something I would expect to come with a premium product. In the box at the top you'll find comfortably sitting the camera body. I will talk about the camera details later in another video. But let me just say that the moment you take the CL in your hand, you know you are holding a very nicely made piece of photographic gear. The lens that I bought with the CL is the 23mm summicron-tl. The packaging is similarly over-engineered. You get a nice pouch to hide the lens in while traveling, a massive metal lens hood, and at the bottom you'll finally find the lens. Quite small, again feels very well made, and I will talk about it in detail next time. The third box contains a grip, which is just a simple yet well-made addition to the camera, making it much easier to hold with my rather large hands. Some people swear by it, some say the camera doesn't need it. I will test it out in the field and let you know next time. Overall, the final package is still very small, nice to hold and definitely nice to look at. And now let me share why I bought this camera. If you have been on this channel for a while, you know I also own the Fujifilm X-Pro 3, so I have a very good camera and a couple of lenses to shoot with. But I saw a very good deal on this kit and simply could not resist. To tell the truth, I've been eyeballing Leicas for some time already, 4 years since I started playing with cameras and taking photographs in uni, but recently I decided I'll get one if I see a good deal. It could be the Leica Q, the CL, I even considered the TL2, but then this nice kit came up on one website and I could not resist. So here I am with my first Leica. This actual example was made in 2017, which is also the year when the CL was released. Yet everything is in pristine condition and so far has been a joy to hold and use for some test shots. I need to update the firmware to the recently released version, read the manual and take a lot of photos before I will be able to tell you more about it. So bear with me for at least a couple of weeks. I'll get back to you. And meanwhile, let me know about your experience with the Leica cameras. Maybe you own the CL and have some tips and tricks I should know about. I'm very interested to learn from your experience, so please share your thoughts. Some of the best tips and conversation is happening in the comment section, so definitely engage down there and be part of our growing community. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you appreciate it, like the video and let me know about future videos you might want to see. And remember, there are show notes in the description. Have a nice day and I will see you with the next one.